Okay, so I'm having a strange problem with this light, which is an IKEA riggad, R-I-G-G-A-D. The problem is that it doesn't turn off. So if I plug it in here, you'll see it goes on fine. Normally, when you press the button on the top, this clicky button here, turns it on and off. But as you can see, it's not doing anything here. I first suspected the switch, and then I tested with this continuity tester, and it tested fine. I'll do it live so that you can see that. And got it on the two contacts. Almost. It's working fine. So there must be something else wrong, but I don't know what. And so you can probably maybe see here, there's quite a few components on this thing. There's no obvious, it's not a simple lamp. Bunch on the back. So I don't know how to diagnose this.